Hello guys. So today we're gonna do um module 3 hands-on projects. So let's start. Um let's first do the hands-on project 3-1, which is monitoring processor usage with task manager. So start Windows, then I click taskbar and then task manager, task manager, and then you can see here click more details button if necessary. So click the performance tab and click the CPU in the left pane. So performance and CPU, which we can actually see here. So um next is watch the CPU history graph and note how it changes over time. Open and close a web browser 3 or 4 times like a CPU history graph. Now you should see a distinct increase in the CPU. So 2, 3, that's 3. Ayan. So, tumaas siya dito. Naka-sense na yun, nakagamit yung CPU. And then, close ulit natin. Yan. Then, nag-decrease siya dito. So, review the other information. CPU, excuse me, display, and different system. Okay. So, click details tab, click the CPU columns or pick percentage. Uh, Details, and then with the CPU column, this, and then so variables, large numbers, books process, and then number goes one. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so click options, click always on top, and click the details tab again. So um okay, so this is the always on top, that and the details. Then you can see that. So with that, we did that. Shared memory executes web browser program code. Okay, so then click performance tab, click open source monitor, and then uh, open resource monitor at the bottom of the window. Close task manager. Bottom of the window, there's something in like wait, open resource monitor. You can see it, but you guys can maybe follow it. Oh, this just monitor, and then um bottom close task manager, you can see your source monitor, the CPU tab. So this is the CPU tab, and then in the left pane is processes how loaded. Okay, so like this. Uh, and then close. So these are the info of the source monitor. So you can see the graphs, the disk, the network and the memory, and the main CPU. So uh, that's how you can check how your PC or laptop. manages or processes CPU data. So let us now proceed to hands-on 3-2, which is getting processor information in device manager and PowerShell. So log in Windows, start and then device manager, and which is this one. So double click processors, and as you can see, that is these are the processors that we have. The processor that we have, and that is Ryzen AMD 7. And click General tab if necessary. The General tab shows my model or CPU. So uh well, I can see General tab, but yeah, the General tab only shows the manufacturer and model of the CPU, and the device status box shows the status. And then click the details tab. Well, I can't seem to find it here, but let's just read it. So here you can see a variety of information about the device and the device driver. Okay, very straightforward. And then click the selection arrow under property and browse through properties. For example, power data to see various power states supported by the CPU, and then click cancel to close the processor properties dialog box, and then close the device manager. So you can navigate it here through the device manager. So um, next is to open Windows PowerShell, which we have here. Excuse me. And then type this, and then there. You can see, and then you can see the long list properties relating to the processor, such as the address and the rate switch. Okay. So yeah, this is all we got. AMD 7735HS with Radeon graphics. And that's all. I think that's it. Well, yeah, that's all for module 3. Thank you for watching. We will now proceed to the um, module 3 review quiz in Ascend. Okay, so we are here in module 3. We already answered it, and as you can see, in the past week, we already answered this. So, it's just some questions regarding the module 3 topic, and all of these are about the computer systems. So that's all. Thank you for watching.